Welcome neighbors to Miracle Farm 1927 Homestead. We're at Denton Farm Park this morning, beautiful day, and we got a tractor here we was wanting to show you. This is what they call a semi diesel. It starts on gas. Here's the magnetor. It starts on gas, and then it's actually a diesel tractor. We'll take you over here and show you the injection pump. Here's the injection pump. Once this tractor starts and gets to running, they switch it over to diesel, and then they cut the gas off.
Oh, that's crazy.
So this is what they call a semi. This is a very nice tractor right here. Yeah, this is a W9 here, and it's just plain gas. It's just got a distributor. It don't have the injection pump on it.
Carburetor.
Here's the carburetor on this one. Instead of having an injection pump, it's just got a carburetor, where the other one's got a carburetor and an injection pump.
That's crazy.
Shopping cart doesn't help powering the fan.
And it's sideways.
Yeah, it's sitting on the side. It powers by gears going up to the transmission.
That's cool.
Here we're at Denton Farm Park. They're featuring the muscle tractors of the 70s this year. And right here is a 1568 International. It come out with a V8 engine in it. And we're going to crank it up for you now in a minute. But anyway, the way the International's done, they put the number, the first number is the 156 is the amount of horsepower it's got, and it's got 8 cylinders. This one here is 146 horsepower, 6-cylinder. So it's close. They may have a little more, a little less, but that was their standard that they used for what the size of that tractor was. He's going to crank this tractor up for us in just a little bit so we can hear it run. This guy, he's a farmer, and he actually restores these tractors himself, and he does a wonderful job at it. This tractor here, I believe, it's been restored about 20 years, and it still looks wonderful. But you'll just look at the different numbers as you go by, and that's how they rated these tractors. What the horsepower was and the amount of cylinders they had. Beautiful job. Massive 1150. It also came out with a V8 in it, just like the International did. The factory, there's only ones that put the V8s in them. I think they got some aftermarkets for John Deere's. They put Caterpillars in and Detroit's, but like I say, this was the only other V8 that come out originally in them. But, this is a Perkins engine. This is also one of your muscle tractors from the 70s right here. Here's another muscle tractor. It's not in the 70s, but it's like a 68 model, and it's a G1000 Minneapolis Moline. And look at the size of that engine on that tractor. Is that a monster or what? But that is a nice tractor right there.
This is a 2640 John Deere, and it missed the 70s. Did they make some in the 70s, Daddy?
I think so.
So the My Matthew in the 70s, this is the 80. And the reason this tractor's special is because we actually own one of these. And one day we'll probably make a video about it. We're going to get it running. But it comes stock with 70 horsepower. And we're thinking about putting a turbo on ours. And that'll be a real neat project. So
Here is a 4020. It's not quite as big as these other ones we've been filming, but this was John Deere's most popular tractor that was built at this time. Everybody wanted a 4020 to farm with, and there's still a lot of them in the field today. And it's just a good all-around tractor to use.
What year was this come out?
It's in the late 60s. We've been showing you the muscle tractors from the late 60s and 70s. Here's a muscle tractor in the 50s, which was an 820 John Deere, and it's a two-cylinder. So the WD9 we showed you earlier, it had come out in the 50s also. So this would be your muscle tractors of the 50s, the 820s and the 80s. So we built an 830, which we don't see one today. We was wanting to build more of those, but we don't see one. Nice tractor. This is a Ford muscle tractor in that same era. It's a 69 model, but like I say, it's in that Ford 8000, and this is an actual 409 engine here in this tractor. Same engine they run in a lot of trucks. Anyway, this was Ford's big tractor at the time. And we're still here at Denton Farm Park, and we're still doing the muscle tractors, but we come across this tractor here, and it's a little newer than the ones we've been videoing, but this here is such a nice tractor I want to put it on, and they have done a super job on this tractor. Beautiful tractor.
this is a custom built pulling B John Deere. So that's a two-cylinder, and they built custom wheels. Every wheel on it is a custom wheel. I think the front ones probably they bought, but the back ones they had the special build. And over here, this is unusual on these. These have hydraulic brakes. I guess usually they have a manual brake. That's for, yeah, they have a manual.
Is that a Chevrolet?
Yep.
There's a Chevrolet symbol right there.
It's a Chevy small block.
Titan Farm Parts 2021 Tractor Parade. Daddy's over here talking to this nice gentleman at his A farm all. Papaw said he wanted to enter his scooter in the parade because there's plenty of lawnmowers, so he'd fit right in with him.
We're heading out.